Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to install an operating system on a Raspberry Pi. Have fun. You have to download the Raspberry Pi imager. Then choose the OS. Here I go normally on the second option to decide between these Raspberry Pi OS versions. There is a difference between light and full and the 32-bit and 64-bit version. I use the first one. Then I choose the storage with the second button. Here I use my SD card. And then before I go to write, I check my settings. And here you can set the host name, enable SSH, set the public key if you want, the username, password, the SSID for your VLAN, the password, VLAN country, time zone and keyboard layout. That's it. And then you can press write and they ask you if you are really sure to overwrite your storage, and you normally press yes if you have chosen the right one. Be careful to not delete any data of your storage if you don't want to delete it. Here press no because I have already set it up. Yeah, then the Raspberry Pi is booting up with a SSD card, and yeah, it's a quick video now because it needs, I think, 2 minutes or something like that. And it boots twice or third times, I don't know exactly, but then it's finished with all the configuration we made before. Okay, here I'm connected to my new Raspberry Pi, which was set up. Let's have a look at the wireless LAN. I'm connected here to my VLAN, which I gave to the configuration. And what else we can have a look? Maybe the host name. Yeah, you can see it in the prompt. It's called Pi3. And yeah, it works. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy my screencast, give me a thumb up. Subscribe my channel, would be a pleasure. And yeah, we see us again. Bye bye.